Hi friends, today we are going to see the unboxing for rechargeable hearing amplifier from Mimitakara. This is one of the most affordable hearing amplifier available in the market. So let's see what's inside and how the product looks like. On the box you can see it mentioned BTE type rechargeable hearing amplifier and also a pictorial representation of how it exactly looks when you use it. So let's open this box and see the inside. So once you open the main box, you get a brown packaging. Inside all the contents are packed. So let's open this. As you open, you get some documentations, which are warranty card, how to use user manual. Then you have a AA battery, which is you can use for charging the hearing aid on the go. Then you have a travel charging adapter having the round pin. Then you have the charging case where you have the hearing aid. So let's see this. On your left you have a round pin port which is used to charge the hearing aid. Let's open this, and on the front you have a press button to open the charging case. Once you press, you can open it. Once you open, you can see the hearing aid itself sitting here in a well placed manner. You have some ear tips to suit your different ear canal shape and size. You have a cleaning brush to make your hearing aid clean and remove all the wax. You are also slot for a AA battery which you got in the box. So using the battery you can also charge your hearing aid on the go, which is make it very convenient. So once you place the battery inside and you press this button, you can see it is indicating two lights, which means the hearing aid is getting charged. When it is only one LED, it means the hearing aid is fully charged. Okay, now let's see the hearing aid itself. So this is the receiver which sits inside your ear for a better hearing performance. On the top you have a microphone placing here. Then you have a volume rocker which moves from 1 to 6. You can adjust this according to your hearing requirement. Then you have a on off button and noise filtration mode. When you enter noise filtration mode, it can reduce the noise greater for a better hearing experience. On the bottom you have a charging pin. So let's place this back. For more details you can contact Digibionic Hearing Center or visit us at Perambakam branch